Okay, we're going to journalize some transactions for purchasing inventory, and the problem I'm going to look at is on page 329 at the end of chapter 5. There's the page number right there. And the problem we're going to do is S5-2. And so I'm just going to read it to you. It says we're going to journalize purchase transactions. Consider the following transactions for KC Toys. On July 8th, KC Toys buys $185,800 worth of Mega Block toys on account with credit terms 2/N-net/30. And the way you read these terms, or this is going to be it's going to be a 2% discount in 10 days, or they have the option of paying the net in 30. Okay, so if KC Toys pays the balance of the account before 10 days, they're entitled to a 2% cash discount, or they can pay the entire balance within 30 days. On July 12th, KC Toys returns $18,500 of merchandise to Mega Bloks due to damage during shipment. And then on July 15th, KC Toys pays the amount due less the return and discount. So we have 3 transactions that we're going to be journalizing. Okay. So let's just take them one at a time. Make sure you can see everything. Our first transaction takes place on July 8th. There's my date. KC Toys buys $185,800 of inventory. So we need to debit inventory. For that amount. And they're buying it on account. So we're going to be crediting accounts payable for $185,800. Okay. On July 12th, KC is going to return some inventory to Mega Bloks due to damage. So we need to take this amount off of accounts payable, and the amount that they return is $18,500. And we're also going to reduce our inventory account by that amount by crediting inventory $18,500. Okay? And the last one says on July 15th, KC Toys paid the amount due. So they can take a cash discount if they paid within 10 days, and they actually end up paying within 7 days. So one of the things we have to do before we can journalize this is figure out how much KC Toys actually owes. Okay, so let's analyze the T account. They have an AP account for this company they're buying from, Mega Bloks. And they originally purchased $185,800. But then they returned $18,500. So that would give them a credit balance in their AP account for $167,300. Okay, but they're paying within 7 days. So they're entitled to the cash discount, and the cash discount is going to be 2%. So $167,300 times 2% is going to give us a cash discount of $3,346. Okay. So that's how much our discount is going to be. So let's calculate how much cash we're going to need to pay off this company. And it's actually going to be $167,300 minus our cash discount, $33.46. We're going to owe them $163,954. Okay? That's how much cash we're going to owe Mega Block. So we have to use this information to make our journal entry now. Okay? We have this amount sitting in accounts payable, so we need to take that out of accounts payable, and we're going to do that by debiting accounts payable for the $167,300. Okay. So this happens on July 15th. We're going to debit accounts payable for $167,300. We're going to credit cash for the amount of cash we have to pay, and that's going to be our $163,954. And because we record inventory at cost and we're taking this cash discount, we're going to credit our inventory account for $33.46. And you can confirm that your debits equal your credits and see that you're in balance. In requirement 2, the problem asks us how much of this inventory ultimately cost KC Toys, and that's going to be your amount of cash here, the $163,954. Okay, and you can even analyze that by looking at your inventory account. So we can do that. This would be our T account for inventory. It would have our original debit entry of $185,800, and then our return of $18,500, and then our credit entry for our cash discount, $33.46. So if you calculate the debit balance in our inventory account, it's going to give us the $163,954. Okay, and that's what the inventory actually cost us, and that's what we should record the inventory at. We should record it at cost.